Next we will try to model rear axle, this huge part here, and I will not spend much time modeling these little details. You can always come back and add them. So we can start with cylinder. Okay, something like that. Okay, place that in position. Okay, zoom in here and adjust height, something like that. Hierarchy, affect pivot point center to object, and let's place that 0, 1x. Okay, convert that to editable poly. Select these edges and hit connect and delete these polygons. Change color to blue and select these words and push them in, something like that. And now select this polygon and make one inset. Let's try with 9.5. Okay, and let's make one extrude. Something, push that back in, something like that. Okay, and now hit bevel, 0 height and outline. Let's try with, I don't know, 2, maybe 2.5. Okay, apply and continue, and 0 outline, and now let's make height something like that and hit OK. And once again we can make inset 5 or maybe 2, 3 actually. Let's make 3. Hit OK, and one more extrude. 5 will be okay, and we can delete this guy. And now we can go to isolation mode, and with swift loop make one loop here, 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 here. Okay. 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 And exit. And now we can apply symmetry modifier on Z with flip. Okay. Now go to create panel, and we need one more cylinder. Let's make that something like that. Okay, and place that in position. Okay, and let's push that back. Okay, convert that to editable poly. Affect pivot point center to object. Okay, and now select this polygon. Okay, and make inset amount 2, hit OK and extrude -2, OK, inset, apply and continue, and let's make one bigger inset. OK, now select this edge and select this guy here, hit ring, connect two segments with pinch 75. Okay, and with swift loop we can make actually, let's just zoom in and make one loop here. And now let's go to isolation mode, select this guy, hit inset to apply and continue. Okay, and with swift loop make one loop here and select this guy, ring, connect two segments with pinch 95 and ring, connect one segment, 0 pinch, 0 slide. Exit isolation mode and apply turbo smooth. 2 iterations and push that in. Okay, and let's apply turbo smooth here and Alt and Q select these words and push them in. Okay, that will be okay. Maybe we can later will add some of these small details. Okay, now we can continue with, let me see, okay, go to create panel and we need one more cylinder. Sorry. And let's make one cylinder from here to here. Okay, and let's place that 0 on X, change color to blue, affect pivot point center to object. Okay, now push that up a bit, and now press Z to zoom in. What we can do is convert that to editable poly and select this guy here and make one inset. Four, maybe 6. Hit OK and hit extrude, and let's let's make that huge, maybe 65, too much, 60. Okay, and now let's make one bevel. Let's try it 4. Maybe too much, 3. Hit apply and continue and push that in. 10. Okay. Now select this guy, make one inset. Let's try with 4. Okay, and extrude something small, maybe 16. Hit okay, and one more inset. Let's try with 5. 4.5 will be okay. And let's make one extrude, something like that. Okay. And now let's go to isolation mode and select this guy and delete, this guy and delete, and with swift loop make one loop here, one here, here, here. Okay. Zoom in. One loop here. One here and select this edge, hit ring, connect 2 segments with pinch 60. Okay, and apply turbo smooth. And we need more resolution here, so with swift loop make one loop here, one here. Okay. Exit isolation mode. Now we can make this bed holder, so let's unhide bed first, and we can hide cabin and engine cover and fuel tanks. Okay, let's zoom in and we can make one tube. Okay, fake pivot point center to object, and let's place that to center. Okay, and convert that to a double poly. Now scale that down on X and select these 2 polygons and extrude. 10 will be okay. Actually, let's make that 12. Okay, and make them planar on Y. And select these words, and we can scale them just a bit. Actually, undo that, and with Swift loop make one edge here and make that words planar on Y. And now select these words and scale them just a bit. Okay, now select this edge, hit ring, and make one connect with two segments, 50 pinch. Okay, same thing here, connect, and with Swift loop make one loop here and one. Actually, let's select these words and scale them something like that. And now Swift loop, something like that, and turn on edge constraints and make these words planar on Y. Okay, and with Swift loop we need one more. Okay, let's see what we have. Apply turbo smooth with 2 iterations. Okay, only thing what we can do is scale that down on X, something like that. And now we can go to create panel, and we can create one box, something like that. Okay, and 2 and 2, convert that to editable poly, and let's change color to green. Okay, and scale that on Y, something like that. And now push that here, something like that. And we need one more cylinder. Okay, make that, place that in center. Okay, zoom in, and now also affect pivot point center to object, make that, place that 0 on X, and now push that here, and let's make one copy here. Okay, and we need to convert that to editable poly and scale that cylinder. something like that. Okay, and now select this edge and hit ring and connect with two segments and pinch 95. Select this polygon and this one in set 0.25. Apply and continue, and okay. Something like that. We can delete this turbo smooth, and we can attach these guys together, and let's place that in position. Select these words and undo that and turn off edge constraints. Select these words and push them up slightly, and we can rotate that just a bit and push that here. Okay, and we can apply turbo smooth, but select this polygon and delete, and also, sorry, this guy here, and delete them. Okay, and select this edge, hit ring, connect two segments with pinch 85, and select this guy, and let's zoom in with Z and select this guy and this guy, hit ring, connect, and two segments with pinch 60. Okay, and now that looks okay. Now what we can do is to save some time, I made this part here. I'm sure you will be able to make that alone, so I will just quick explain you what I did. So unhide that, and let's zoom in. Actually, let's place that on this side. something like that, and apply turbo smooth. I made one tube here, and I made same thing like with this part here. After that I made 3 copies of that. I rotate this one. After that I made one cylinder and with few extrusions, and nothing too complicated. Let's make 2 iterations, and also here. Okay. Now what we can do is, I forgot before to make one bed part, so let's go to create panel, and we need one box from here to here. Okay, let's make that green, convert that to editable poly, and select these words and push them here, something like that, and let's place that down. Now okay, let's place that here, and we need to scale that down, something like that. Okay, now select these edges, hit connect to segments and pinch them together, pinch -45. Now select these words and these two and push them up, something like that. Now actually let's go to isolation mode and select this edge, hit ring, connect 2 segments with pinch 60, select these 2 edges, ring, connect 2 segments with pinch, let's try with 95, and now select this polygon, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and hit extrude -2. Okay, and make them planar on Y, and now zoom in here and push them up, something like that. And now we can delete these polygons, and now select these 2 edges, hit ring, connect 2 segments with pinch 50, select this one and this one, ring, connect with same settings, select this guy here, hit ring, connect 2 segments with pinch 90, and let's apply turbo smooth. Okay, we need support edges. Here select this guy, ring, connect 2 two segments and pinch 90. Same thing here, ring, connect. Okay, select this guy, hit ring, and also this guy, hit, no, select this guy, hit ring, connect, one segment, zero pinch and slide, negative 99. Same thing here, connect. Okay, let's take a look now. Okay, that looks good now. Now we need to place that in position, push that up, let's rotate that. Okay, up again, rotate. Okay, let's take a look. Let's put that up just a bit, maybe more, something like that. And place that here and one copy here. Okay, and let's delete. Go to touch and touch that together. And now change that to blue and bed 6. Okay, and let's place that to bed layer. Okay, and one more thing, we can go to element and select this cylinder, shift and drag. Okay, and place that here. Okay, and scale that just a bit. Okay, now select this object, go to element and select this part and this one, and also let's take this cylinder and let's go to detach and detach that as a clone. Deselect that element, let's move that here, let's zoom in. Okay, turn on angle snap and let's rotate that. Okay, and now let's scale that something like that. Now place that here, select all these words and push them up, and now select these and push them down just a bit, and maybe push these down. Okay, let's apply turbo smooth with one iteration, actually two. let's zoom in. We need to place that here. Select this cylinder and push him in. Okay. And maybe we can rotate that just a bit. And for this undercarriage part, we need just one more thing. Go to Swift Loop and make one loop here. Okay, and select these two polygons and hit extrude. Something like that. Okay, and push them up like that. Okay, and now select this edge, make ring, one segment with slide 90, same thing here. Okay, and delete this polygon, and sorry, also this one. And now select this edge, let's zoom in, select that guy and make bridge, sorry, select this edge and this one and bridge, this one and this one, bridge, select this guy and this guy, bridge, and also this guy and this one, bridge. Okay, now select this edge, hit ring. Actually, let's go to isolation mode and press Z to zoom in and select this one, ring, connect two segments with pinch 97. Select this edge, ring, connect two segments, pinch 90. Okay, also select these edges, ring, connect two segments, pinch 97, and with Swift Loop make one loop here, one here. Select this edge, hit ring, connect two segments, pinch 85. Okay, select these two edges, ring, connect. Okay, Swift Loop, one loop here, one here, here, one here, and also one here, and also one here, one, undo that, make one here and one here, and select this edge and this one, hit ring, connect, hit OK, and let's apply turbo smooth to see what we have. Okay, we need loop here and also here, and we need loop here, and also select this edge, hit ring, connect two segments with pinch 95. Okay, I'll make one loop here and one here, and we need one loop here and one here, and let's see what we have now. Let's zoom in again, and we need loop here, and that will be okay, I guess. Two iterations, that looks good. Okay, and that's it for undercarriage part. I will mirror these objects on other side and see you in next part.